Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that some people feel shy when they speak English language or when they come in front of the masses, such as when they are in a gathering and suddenly they are called on a stage to deliver some kind of speeches or speech. So they feel shy, although the words are in their mind, they can deliver good lecture, but they feel shy while coming in front of the masses. So how to overcome this shy? I think that when you are too much shy towards the things, then I think that you are not able to grow yourself in future. So you will have to overcome this problem. When you are willing to speak English language, you are shy that perhaps I will speak English language, other will judge me, they will note me, perhaps I will not speak in proper accent. So don't feel shy. I think that if you are willing to improve yourself or if you are willing to grow your talent in English language. For example, if you are sitting in a gathering, you are not prepared for the speech and suddenly the announcer announce your name that please come on the stage and speak out some words, beautiful words, then I think that at that moment you should use your conscience that if you are not ready for the speech, then how can you will tackle this problem. You can do in this way. You can start your speech with some kind of preamble, and then you can talk about the gathering, those are sitting there, and if you know anybody there, you can discuss on that person. You can praise the organizing committee that they has organized a very good program, and I appreciate this step. And then you can discuss on the location there, that what are the characteristics of that location. Also you can discuss on the problems there. If you know a little about, you can discuss about their problems. In this way the people will think that you are more sympathetic towards them and they will praise you, and they will not judge you that you are speaking spontaneously or you are speaking the crammed speech. Then you can also discuss your journey from your home to this place, and you can also talk that you are not prepared, you are there only to listen, only to enjoy the program, but you called me on stage. I am thankful for giving me this honor. And if you are a rich person, then you can announce some little amount there. If you are rich, you are not compulsory, but if you have lot of money, then you can announce there a little amount for the organizing committee, or for the, if the program is related to students, you can announce for students. In this way I think that you can overcome this problem. And if you feel shy, then even if you already prepared your speech, during speech you will feel shy while speaking. So those people are more succeeded who do the speeches or their lecture with confidence. They are confident. Even they are not more eligible than others, but they have this quality of confidence. With the help of that confidence, they do something exemplary and they get lot of admirers from masses, from public. This, I think that in this way you can overcome this problem, and don't feel shy. Speak out whatever you know, deliver that. Hope you find this video useful and you will use this technique, this tip, if you come across such kind of situation in future. And if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.